And time now for a Republic exclusive. This is India's biggest heroin bust at the Mundra port in Gujarat. Nearly 3,000 kilograms of a banned narcotic substance, heroin, that is valued at around 21,000 crore rupees has been seized. Boats from Afghanistan and Iran carrying the banned substances were intercepted. The Gujarat ATS is now probing the terror angle in this case. It is a story that is getting bigger. The Gujarat ATS that is looking into the terror angle, as these are two boats that were seized in 2 days off the Gujarat coast. And at a time when we are seeing instability in Afghanistan, this is a massive drug push that has now been exposed. 3,000 kgs of heroin that was seized at Mundra port. And remember, the value of each kg stands at 7 crores. So all in all, it has been valued at 21,000 crore rupees. Bigger question being, are cartels using drug money to fund Taliban? Are several questions now staring at us, as the Gujarat ATS is now very closely investigating into all the details. This boat that was from Iran was also intercepted. In fact, the Iran boat also brought to Porbandar, and there is a massive alarm over a major drug bust off the Gujarat coast. We are putting out those pictures for our viewers of the seizure that has happened. 2 boats off the Gujarat coast and huge amounts of heroin that has been busted. Gujarat ATS is now probing the terror angle in this case. These boats from Iran and Afghanistan, and heroin weighing as much as 2988.22 kgs. that was seized by the authorities. So all in all, like I told you, the DRI is estimating the worth of these drugs at over 21,000 crore rupees. Priyanka, my colleague who's tracking the details very closely, is with me on the phone line. Priyanka, what more are you picking up in terms of what the Gujarat ATS has been able to find until now, and what are they suspecting?
Well, to clarify, this investigation is being spearheaded by the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence, DRI, who is also looking into where this heroin had come from, because there was a misdeclaration of goods which were being passed off as talcum powder, is what we're being given to understand, but it was actually heroin. Up to 2,988.22 kgs of heroin is what we're being given to understand, and per kg costing about 7 crore rupees. Now, this is the valuation that comes up to 21,000 crore, which makes it one of the biggest drug busts of in India that was being smuggled from Afghanistan. We're being told that 6 crew members on board were Afghani nationals as well, and in a few minutes from now at around 5 p.m. we're being told that they will be taken to Kutch court for remand by the DRI as well, so that they can interrogate them further. We're also being told that 2 people had been picked up from Vijayawada and Chennai as well. A woman named Vaishali is being named, who had attained an import and export license and had been importing talcum powder, but helping smuggling heroin in under the garb of importing talcum powder from Afghanistan as well. She is also brought to Kutch for further investigation by the authorities as well. Now, after the valuation of the heroin will be done and a purity test will be done of the heroin, a sample has been sent to Delhi by an officer to check the purity of the heroin as well, after which a proper valuation of the entire drugs that were being smuggled will be made. But after that, of course, the ATS, the Gujarat ATS, will also take over to investigate further into the terror angle as to which cartel had been involved in smuggling these drugs. And also they suspect that the recent instability in Afghanistan and the Taliban taking over, that has a huge role to play in the increasing number of smuggling that we're seeing at the Gujarat ports, specifically from Afghanistan and Iran. Because let me tell you, another boat had been seized, it had been intercepted by the Indian Coast Guard just a day back off the coast of Porbandar, and they're being brought to Porbandar. This was a clear smuggling of drugs of heroin up to 30 to 40 kg. Now, these instances are on the rise, and officials suspect that this is a cartel that has activated because of the instability in Afghanistan, and Gujarat port being used as a point of entry for these drugs to be taken to then Delhi and then circulated in Punjab, Haryana, all these other northern states as well. And then, of course, in these drug cartels will also be distributing it in South as well, in Chennai, in Kerala is what we're being told. Now, these cartels are also will be investigated by the Gujarat ATS and other agencies will also be taken a help of to understand how exactly they had been operating and where the funding had also been coming from. A very important point to keep in mind is that this is 21,000 crore worth of heroin, which would perhaps then be taken back to Afghanistan and other countries where this was being smuggled in from and used for terrorist activities or not is something that the officials will also be investigating. And by interrogating the cartels and the smugglers in India itself, including these firms that have been operating under the garb of importing talcum powder, had been smuggling heroin, including firms like the ones in Vijayawada and Chennai, whose owners have also been have been brought to Kutch for further interrogation as well. The biggest bust by Indian authorities as of now, also looking into an international plot, an international drug cartel, and an investigation will go on further.
All right, Priyanka, many thanks for getting us those details. We'll keep coming back to you as the story develops further. For the moment, it's time for us to slip into a very short commercial. Also, a quick check of what's lined up on the other side. Shooter opens fire